This is an unwrapping of the half wrap wallet. Here it is in really nice leather. It smells very leathery. This is where you would put something that you want easy access to, probably like your ID or your Metro card. And this side is for your credit cards and other stuff. It's just really nicely put together. Look at the consistency of those stitches. Nicely done. I just wanted to show a comparison of the original wrap wallet. You can see the thickness here. There's 2 extra layers, ID plus a bunch of 4 bills of cash. And this stuff could, very easily fit in this guy. The badge goes on the window slot here. I can put a good number of bills in here. I put the rest of the stuff in here, and I put the Metro card on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. As you can see, there's 1, 2 bills, and then everything else just fits in here. And it really doesn't take up any more space than absolutely required. The whole thing is very elegant, very efficient. I'm going to take this and try to put everything into the half wallet, leaving behind, what I will have to leave behind. Well, I've basically removed all of the cards and left 1 ID card in here, because if I'm using this on the weekend, I really don't need to be bringing my badge for work. But basically, I have my driver's license and my subway card. I could probably squeeze 1 more card here. I have all of the other things, my bus pass, my credit card, debit card. I definitely could squeeze in plenty more stuff, but it's super, super perfect. With 2 cards, it's actually much easier to slide something out with just 1 finger or 1 push. So I think this is really great. I have been using the wrap wallet for 5 years, and it was really holding together, but I wanted to re-stitch the ID flap or the outside flap. You'll notice that this looks quite new, but if you look at this side, this is this original stitching since 2013, and it's held together quite well, and it's worn actually really nicely. So if you want a wallet that lasts a really long time and looks really cool, I would really recommend this. This has a full service wallet that doesn't really compromise much. This one, I don't know if it's available outside of Kickstarter, but I think it will. This was $29 as part of the Kickstarter, so I expect that you'll get this probably for like more, but not like double. This one you can get for $80 fully assembled. You can choose the color of the leather, the color of the stitching, and it's something that'll really last you, and it wears really well. This one you can see is new. This is what it looks like new, and this is what it looks like after 5 years. If you're wondering about the materials used, the leather here is made in the USA, and the thread is imported from France. But I'll put a link to the original Kickstarter where you can find out more about the project and how to get it for yourself. I hope you consider the thread and leather wrap wallet and the thread and leather half wallet. Thanks for watching.